Hey guys, thanks for joining in. So today I'm going to be talking about my skid plates. Now skid plates are really important to protect your investment. If you go on any off-roading adventures, you hit any trails, you really want to protect your investment. Before I run my vehicle through the camera and show you guys all the damages that my skid plate has protected my vehicle on, I'm going to be talking about what I have. I have the RCI steel skid plates. They come in aluminum and steel, but I chose the RCI Full Skids. This is the front to the back with the transfer, and also I got the gas tank skid plate. The 4Runner is actually notoriously low sitting, and I've heard a lot of horror stories where people have damaged their gas tank. So I wanted to make sure that I not only got the full skids, but I also got the gas tank skid as well. So make sure you guys protect your investment. I'm gonna do a slow roll by through the camera so that you can see all the damages that my skid plate protected my vehicle on. And again, do your own homework here. They're super easy to install. Make sure that when you also get your skid plates that you guys get one with a extra cutout so that you can do your oil change a lot easier. The last thing you want to do is to have to take off your skid plate every single time you do an oil change. So those are some of the things that you got to make sure you look out for. But so far, I'm very, very happy with the RCI skid plates. I got them powder coated and they've held up quite a bit. And I've actually hit some big boulders in the past when I'm on some trails, and it's always made me cringe. But having skid plates, I know it's really protecting my investment. So let's go ahead and roll the vehicle through the camera and let's show you guys how much damage that I've protected my vehicle on. You guys found this useful. Make sure you guys protect your investment. Get some skid plates. Make sure you guys hit subscribe, and I hope you guys liked the video. Thanks for tuning in.